Hello and welcome to Vajiram and Ravi. This is Pooja Singh and we are back with another discussion today. What we are going to discuss that what should be the right strategy to choose your optional subject and how history comes in the picture. Why you should choose history as your optional subject. And for that we have our esteemed faculty member with us today, Praveen Dikshit sir, who has 8 years of teaching experience in this particular field. So first of all, welcome to this podcast and please show some path to the students that why they should choose history as their optional subject. Like we have heard it from many faculties and toppers that choosing the right optional is very important, but what exactly is the right optional, and does it vary with the individual's choices and strengths?
I think right optional is whatever gives you 300 marks. Ab, who will tell what is right optional? So first thing, you will have to take care of the subjects and what's your nature in it. For example, if you are good in technical subjects like mechanical, like physics, so those subjects are the best.
Yes.
If you have some quality in some subject or some interest in some subject, or you are naturally inclined to some subject. If not, look into yourself. For example, could you read a subject? Everyone has some inclination towards some types of subjects. For example, some are good in mathematics, but some are worse in mathematics.
True.
So there are three things in it. First is subject in itself. Second is your inclination and quality. And third is intuition. Taking optional is like jumping in a well. And well do not have any light in it. You will find water or you will find a dry well. So that could be told only by your intuition. Very much like share market. You do hundreds of analysis, but at the end of the day, there is a chaos of market. So three things, take it in mind, which we will later, I hope, we'll discuss. Yes. First is subject in itself. Mm-hmm. Second is you as a person. Yes. And third is at the end of the day, your intuition. So these are the three things which one should keep in mind while taking the optional. Don't go only on the market. For example, if I know that Pashto language has a good market, if I learn Pashto, it is a good subject and we are getting a lot of marks in UPSC. But I don't know Pashto. Yes. So for me, it's better that I should give my exam in my native tongue. Or for example, Delhi has a lot of wealth, but everyone in Delhi is not wealthy. True. So likewise, some optionals are good for market. But will they be good for you? So that's the second thing. And third thing at the end of the day, your own intuition. I have seen some people have bad intuition. Whatever decision they take in the life goes wrong. It's real. And I believe in that also. Intuition is also something which play a role. Yeah. So some people have bad intuition. They should do more analysis. First look back at your life and look at your life decisions. Was your college option was good? Was your graduation option was good? Have you chosen your right room partners? Have you chosen the right friends? If you think these decisions of your life were good so far, believe in your intuition. But if you think these options are wrong, so you have taken 30 wrong options and the 31st will be right, I don't believe so. So intuition plays a great role in person's life. And I'm not saying it luck. Although I'm a believer that there is a pinch of luck in everyone's life. Luck is important, but luck comes at the last. Choosing the optional is not about luck. When you will work hard and there are 2,000 equally hardworking people, then God will pick 1,000 among them. But first you have to go into that 2,000. And after interview, we should discuss about luck in interview phase. So here are three things. Subject in itself, you as a person, and third is the intuition. What is your intuition?
So, how does history comes in the picture? How we would know that history is the right optional for you?
Achha, ma'am, before history as the right optional, I have a sort of flow chart which I send to students how to choose optional. Okay. So, I don't have any board here, so it will be difficult for me to help you visualize. But let me, if you give me the time.
Sure, sir, please.
The first thing is in which you have done your graduation. Mm-hmm. If you have done your graduation in the subject, which is in UPSC first thing.
Yes, sir.
So see how you are good in your graduation. If you are very good in your graduation, very good means really good. And not ki you think you are good. Everyone has these delusions. And until class 7th, I thought I am a good cricket player also. Yes. And I'll be a cricket player, Sachin Tendulkar. But later I found out that I am a very bad one in it. So if you are really good, teachers praise you, you got a good marks. And then you take that optional in your UPSC optional. It will help you. because your theories are clear, your fundamentals are clear, your familiarity is clear, you know the mistakes, you know the answer writing of it. So if your graduation subject is in UPSC and you are good at it, don't go a lot about on market.
True.
Because it's like I ask you कि I want to become a crorepati. Which business should I do? In every business you will find crorepati, in every business you will find bankrupt people. As a button making is a very small thing. But I have seen in Karol Bagh, there is a factory of button making, TTK or something.
Okay.
He's billionaire.
Okay.
So if I ask you, I'm going to start making button, you will laugh on me. But I can show you billionaires in button making. And if I tell you I'm going to open a software startup, you will be very impressed.
Yes.
I can show you every day there are bankruptcies filed in software startups.
True, sir.
So market has a role to play. But if you are good at something, go for it. Go for it. And in my life, apart from this, I rarely could do anything very successfully.
Definitely.
है ना, तो my family तो said कि this is also one more failure of your life. अब I don't know how it will play out, but I had the intuition also. And I also had this. So I did not do a lot of market analysis. That was good for me.
Okay.
So likewise, if you are good at your graduation subject and you find that graduation subject in your optional and you are good at it, take it. Close your eyes, take it. But majority of people come to this UPSC preparation because of push migration also.
Okay.
Because they were bad in their college, they do this preparation. है ना? They think that entire life वो क्या है वो मेरा ठुकरा के प्यार देगा क्या इंतकाम देखेगी, तो इंतकाम लेने भी बहुत लोग आते हैं. तो those who come for push factor,
Okay.
कि because you have nothing else to do in your life and you thought कि DM बनेंगे, तो ठीक बात है ना, तो DM बनने और SP बनूंगा, फिर इधर दो वो खड़े होंगे हवलदार. तो if you are for, and that's not a problem, everyone has dreams. So if you are here because of push migration, because your graduation was not good, then first thing, see some things which I have written also in front of me. So shortlist some things. First, your subject of interest.
Okay.
And interest, I'm talking about technical interest.
Okay.
It's not you find it good. Yes, if you ask me what I'm interested in, so I'm interested in cricket,
Okay.
I'm interested in football, I'm interested in Bollywood, I'm interested in listening song. I can do nothing in these four fields. है ना, कुछ नहीं कर सकता मैं. If I'll do so in Karol Bagh only, there are 100 people who will beat me up in all those four fields. So interest doesn't mean what sound good to you. Always remember, interest means technical interest.
Definitely.
Technically, if you are interested in some subject, if history comes naturally to you, if polity comes naturally to you, or I, in short, say you read 3 subjects, check which of the following subject you think after studying.
Okay.
If I have read 1 hour each, polity, economy, history, whatever subject you like to think after you study. I have stopped studying and I went to take water or drink tea, or I am in bus alone. And which subject I am most comfortable in thinking about. Generally, we are good as those subjects. So first is your technical interest. If you think you have shortlisted 3 subjects, you are equally technically interested because you have not dwelled into it. So you don't know a lot about it. You are technically good in 3 subjects. So then see ki in which guidance is available to you. For example, your elder brother or your family member or your cousin or your friend is good in one of them. I call it a sort of quasi-nepotism.
Okay.
Quasi-nepotism means we are generally sucked to the professions of our father and brothers. Because they are there to tell us the nitty-gritties and the challenges and the way about it.
A personal guidance kind
A
of.
personal guidance. For example, if any of my friend wants to start teaching for UPSC, I may not help him in front of students, but I can give him a lot of invisible guidance.
Okay.
Ki do this, acha go there, while taking class do this.
Okay.
So if you have some such guidance available to you, teacher plus invisible guidance, go for those subjects. That will give you the upper hand perspective, a top view drone perspective. It's like you are in a maze, so a drone perspective will help you. So first thing, if you are technically interested. Second thing, if guidance is available. Third, how much you will get the help in GS.
Yes.
है ना? तो how much GS help you can get. For example, if you are naturally inclined towards physics and naturally inclined towards history, history will be a bit better. Geography will be a bit better. That's why you will see art side subjects are chosen by engineers also.
True, sir.
Because they make your life easy in GS. है ना? If it's, you have to swim or you have to go to Navy, so prefer living in an island. है ना? तो
Exactly.
swimming and everything will come naturally to you. You will not be scared of the ocean. तो likewise, first is your technical interest, second is guidance, teacher plus your family members, friends, and third is this helping in GS, and fourth, most important, if still subjects are matching, you are confused in two and you have all the available in two, then go to a good astrologer. No, I'm not joking about it.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Okay.
Go to an astrologer. If you believe in astrology. I don't.
Okay.
But because when a student trouble me a lot, ki sir, which subject to take out of these two, so then I take out myself after half an hour of discussion ki bhai, abhi bhi agar still nothing you can not choose between these two, तो फिर तो find a good ज्योतिषी.
Okay.
And नहीं तो it was on a lighter note. सच में ज्योतिषी के पास अगर आपका believe है, if you believe in it, तो obviously you must try. हाँ जी.
Definitely follow that. Okay. Another, sir, there's a myth among the students that the history optional syllabus is quite magnanimous. The syllabus is very vast. So what are your thoughts about it? How would you describe it?
First thing to optional of history syllabus
Yeah.
is exactly equal. नहीं exactly equal. Lesser than GS history optional.
Okay.
If it is magnanimous, so you have to study that same magnanimity in GS also. Ancient, medieval, modern, world. 4 are part of optional and GS both. GS has one added art and culture. Optional do not have this much art and culture. In optional, art and culture is rooted in the history in which it is happening. For example, the style of optional is, after Mauryan age, a lot of foreigners came to India and they affected our society and culture and art forms. This is the question of optional.
Okay.
GS question is, in Humayun tomb, white stone is used or not?
Okay.
How difficult it is to remember that in Humayun tomb, white stone, once they asked the question in GS mein,
Yes, sir.
कौन सी है वो, बुलंद दरवाजा,
Yeah.
is there a white stone or not?
Okay.
Many students say there is no white stone there. God knows why they say this. Check, you will find the white stone. So it's so difficult. If I have to give you a comparable analysis,
Yes, sir.
so in GS, in optional history, they ask a question. What is the importance of good direction in movie making?
Yeah.
What is the importance of marketing in making a movie hit? These are optional style questions. GS style questions are, in Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, who was the dancer beside Shah Rukh Khan who was dancing? So in GS they ask you those types of information, which is really difficult. If I guarantee, and I guarantee it openly, and if any of my past student is watching this, please comment below.
Definitely, sir.
Whatever I will teach will be asked in optional. If it is not asked, hold me accountable. I will have a live session.
What assurance would
No, I 100% I guarantee. Because I know that optional paper is set by someone who's the scholar of history. GS paper is set by a civil servant who thinks he is history enthusiast. If he goes to visit Humayun tomb, he asks question on Humayun tomb. If while reading newspaper, something comes in news, he picks it random information. What is written in the 15th chapter of Arthashastra is the question of GS.
Yeah.
How important is Arthashastra in analysis of Mauryan administration is optional question.
Okay.
So optional question is an organic question. GS question. So if you are scared about optional because you have seen the GS of history, they are poles apart. Syllabus is same. You have to study the same things. But GS of history is 10 times more difficult.
Yeah. Its approach is different.
GS paper will come, I give no guarantee. I never give guarantee to GS students कि whatever I will teach will come. Whatever I will teach may come. If it comes, it's a beautiful accident of our lives. But in optional, I guarantee. Optional, I don't want to bet my life that every question will come. But I bet my life that 1 or 2 questions will come outside what I teach. And that too, you have the option to leave. So, whatever I teach, if my syllabus portion come outside of that, तो ये रस में बज़ में फना है, दिल गुनाह है, जुम्बिशे नजर भी रहेगी क्या आबरू हमारी जो तू यहाँ बेकरार होगा.
क्या बात सर.
तो hold me accountable in optional. GS तो भाई it's like a riot. Optional is a boxing match with proper rules, with proper. GS is a riot. ट्रक खोला जाएगा, यू विल बी आस्क्ड टू लीव, रन इन द सिटी, सेव योर लाइफ, नो रूल्स अवेलेबल. तो ऑप्शनल इज लाइक रनिंग इन अ राइट. कोई रूल नहीं है, पुलिस स्टेशन में भी आपको गोली मारी जा सकती है, तो आप दंगे में अपनी जान बचाएं. Optional is properly a boxing match with proper rules, with proper guidance. And as a coach, I can help you whatever I can. And second thing, कुछ मैं लिख के भी लाया हूं कि because I knew कि optional पे ही है ये.
Yes, sir.
तो पहला तो है कि history as an optional is more interesting.
Definitely.
Ma'am, go to Twitter or listen the speech of Prime Minister or opposition. Everyone trace from history.
Okay. Yeah.
जैसे एक छोटा सा example दूं मैं आपको.
Sure, sir. Sure.
There are 3 dates of independence of India. नहीं, sorry, 3 dates of colonization of India.
Okay.
Do you believe India's colonization began in 1757? Battle of Plassey.
Yeah.
1192,
Okay.
when Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj
Yeah.
Chauhan. Or 3000 years ago when Aryans came.
Okay.
These are the 3 colonization dates. According to Congress, it is 1757, Battle of Plassey, when British started. According to Hindu right wing, 1192.
Okay.
when Muhammad Ghori
Muhammad
Muslim
Ghori,
rule began.
yeah.
And according to lower caste, 3000 years ago when Vedic people, Aryans came and colonized it. Whatever narrative presently, if you have to declare India Hindu Rashtra, you have to start it from history. Start proving that 1192 is the date of colonization and 2014 is the date of decolonization.
That is
आप
clever.
हाँ, तो आप बस इतना प्रूव कर दें, कुछ नहीं प्रूव करने की जरूरत. इफ यू वांट टू एंड रिजर्वेशन, जस्ट ये प्रूव कर दें कि देयर वाज नॉट कास्ट बेस्ड ऑपरेशन एज मच एज शोन टू अस. Entire reservation will start coming down. All the right wing of India do is they start saying that British rule was better than medieval Islamic rule. सिर्फ आपको ये प्रूव करना है. Road to Hindu Rashtra will be open. Whatever you have to say, जैसे someone asked me why to read history, not as an optional, why to read history. Generally लोग history क्यों पढ़ते हैं?
Yeah.
If you will not read history, someone will teach your history to you wrong.
Exactly.
आपके पास अगर अपनी जमीन के पेपर नहीं है तो मैं पेपर प्रोड्यूस कर दूंगा कि मेरी.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो इफ यू डू नॉट हैव, तो फर्स्ट थिंग तो इट इज इंटरेस्टिंग. यू कैन विन एवरी डिबेट अंडर सन. आप कोई भी डिबेट हो जाए और आप फंसने लग जाओ, इफ यू नो हिस्ट्री, बिलीव मी यू विल कम आउट ऑफ इट. आई गिव सम एग्जांपल्स. एक नॉट पॉलिटिकल बायस, एक स्पोक्स पर्सन है सुधांशु त्रिवेदी.
Okay.
ही जनरली विंस डिबेट ओनली बिकॉज ही हैज गुड नॉलेज ऑफ हिस्ट्री. कभी आप उनकी डिबेट देखें,
Okay.
he rout the opposition apart.
Okay.
He may be wrong also. I'm never saying the right person wins. He's right always, na?
Yeah. Is the
But he
right
wins the debate.
application of the knowledge. he
Ma'am,
has.
right person never wins.
Yeah.
More knowledgeable person wins. If right person अगर जीतता होता तो इतने महंगे वकील ना करने पड़ते.
क्या बात है, बिल्कुल सही
है ना मैम? तो करोड़ों के जो वकील हैं, these lawyers, it is only to prove that right side never wins, the better side wins. Israel Palestine में I am not interested who's right. Israel has better weapons and they are winning. तो एक बार आपके पास नॉलेज आ जाए तो यू विल सी द पावर ऑफ नॉलेज. आप इतने स्वैग से कहीं पे भी बैठेंगे कि यू विल राउट द पर्सन अराउंड. फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकंड थिंग मैम, पूरा ये जीएस में है. ऑप्शनल इज एंटायरली इन जीएस. थर्ड इज इट इज ऑर्गेनिक.
Yes.
जैसे ऑर्गेनिक का मैम ये मतलब है कि इनिशियल वेद वर रिटन इन पैराग्राफ स्टाइल, बट साम वेद ऑनवर्ड्स पोएम में वेद लिखे गए, पोएम स्टाइल. बिकॉज पोएम्स आर ऑर्गेनिक. इफ यू विल मिस अ वर्ड, आप पोएम गा ही नहीं पाओगे.
Okay.
जैसे आप कोई गाना, यू स्टार्ट सिंगिंग अ सॉन्ग, क्यों चलती है पवन, झूमे है गगन, मचलता है मन, न तुम जानो ना हम. मिस वन वर्ड, आप गाने नहीं गा पाओगे. क्यों चलती है पवन, झूमे गगन नहीं बना, झूमे है गगन. है भी नहीं मिस हुआ है. 20-year-old सॉन्ग है, नॉट अ सिंगल वर्ड इज
Still
मिसिंग.
remember.
तो ऑप्शनल इज ऑर्गेनिक लाइक दिस. Everything has cause and effect. GS is inorganic. Every subject of GS are inorganic.
Okay.
So GS has more chances or more difficult to remember. Optional is easy to remember.
True.
And जो past year student है, please जरा comment करके बताना कि how organic it is and how easy it is to remember. Then next is it is less dynamic. वैसे तो dynamic है, but आपके level पे नहीं. At your level it is not dynamic. Although it's very dynamic because everyone gives or one new view, revision होता रहता है. But still, for you, it is not dynamic.
Yeah, for the level that UPSC is asking in optional.
हाँ, तो
it's
not dynamic. कुछ interesting perspective है, which I'll make interesting for you, but they are not dynamic.
Okay.
वो थोड़ा बताऊंगा तो political हो जाएगा, interest जगह. Actually, problem of history is if I have to increase the interest, तो it will sound political.
Yeah.
But I love doing it. है ना, because we all are political.
That neutral bias.
नहीं मैम, no one is neutral.
Okay.
There is no neutral person. There are only good actors.
Okay.
कोई न्यूट्रल तो देखिए है नहीं.
That
है
is
ना?
a clever way to put it.
हाँ, मतलब आप खुद ही बताओ, आप नहीं न्यूट्रल हो. अभी soon result is going to come of Lok Sabha. We all have some biases with us. So I don't believe in neutrality. I am just saying my duty is to tell you all the sides. मैं आपको सारी साइड बता दूं.
True.
मेरी एक साइड है. I have picked one side. You also pick one side. You are free to do it.
True.
है ना, rather than me imposing my neutrality on you. है ना, because neutrality is a myth. कोई इस दुनिया में न्यूट्रल नहीं है, इसीलिए आप देखो कोई न्यूट्रल चैनल चलते भी नहीं. इफ यू वांट टू टेक व्यू, क्रिएट कंट्रोवर्सी. ज्यादा न्यूट्रलिटी करेंगे तो व्यू आएंगे नहीं.
Yes.
है ना, सोशल मीडिया पे बोथ द साइड्स, लेफ्ट विंग राइट विंग, आप देखो दोनों ही कोई न्यूट्रल नहीं है. दे ऑल नो देयर बायसेस, दे लाफ ऑन इट.
Yeah, and when we like know both the sides, we are able to put the answers in like very neutral way. When we are knowing
आंसर्स तो छोड़ो मैम, जस्ट लुकिंग एट द क्वेश्चन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई इट इज आस्क्ड एंड व्हाई शुड आई आंसर इट,
exactly.
and in what way to answer. If I am a good lawyer and I want to win the case, the easiest way is I know your arguments.
Yes, exactly.
If I know your arguments, you cannot win case against me.
Yeah, you can counter them back when you know everything.
Because I am prepared for it.
Yes.
I know what will be your reaction.
Yes, exactly.
For example, if I start talking bad about Savarkar and you started defending, so I know right from the start कि I have to poke on BJP and you will get pinched in it.
Yeah.
अगर आप सावरकर के सपोर्टर है तो 99% आप बीजेपी के सपोर्टर है.
Okay.
If you are defending Nehru, 99% chances you are not liking present prime minister.
Okay.
तो ये पहले से पता होता है. If you in history you know this, कि why this question is asked, you have much better chance to answer it, and I can tell many of these questions. Before 2014 it was impossible to ask कि how Buddhism is rooted in Upanishad or Vedic literature. But it is asked. So as a teacher I tell these things to students because your job is to get marks. आपका जॉब नंबर लाना है, आपका जॉब देश बदलना भी नहीं है. As a teacher I think my responsibility is to get you selected. After that, whatever happens with you, I'm not interested. जैसे वैसे तो कहना सबके सामने अच्छा नहीं लगता है कि if I'm a teacher and you are selected, if my student is selected, and after that he is found guilty of some corruption, I don't say that he is doing a good job. अगर वो करप्शन में फंस भी गया, फिर भी मैं सोचूंगा एज अ टीचर आई वाज सक्सेसफुल, एंड विद प्राउड आई विल शो कि देखो मेरा सिलेक्टेड स्टूडेंट है, 68 रैंक आई थी, करप्शन में फंसा पाया गया. मतलब एज अ टीचर आई हैव डन इट. अब आप एथिक्स के टीचर्स को फिर पकड़े. अगर वो करप्शन में है तो ब्रिजेन सर को पकड़े.
True.
नॉट मी. इन ऑप्शनल ही गॉट 300 मार्क्स एंड ही फाउंड इन करप्शन, तो ब्रिजेन सर को पकड़े. मैं सक्सेसफुल हूँ.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, या पाठक सर को पकड़े तो है ना, तो मुझे नहीं.
So definitely we are sure that our ethics faculty is also making sure कि वो भी ना इस चीज को focus.
ठीक बात है मैम. तो वही, हाँ, तो मैम एक चीज और है. दूसरा,
Yeah.
हिस्ट्री ऑप्शनल हैज लेस कंपटीशन
Yes.
बिकॉज फॉर स्टूडेंट इट इज गुड कि थोड़ा मिथ फैले हुए हैं कि इट इज लेंथी एंड ऑल. इट इज लेस लेंथी देन पेपर 1 ऑफ यूपीएससी.
Okay.
पेपर 1 से कम लेंथी. आपको सब कुछ जीएस में पढ़ना. आई डोंट वांट टू से इट, बट इट इज द ओनली ऑप्शनल which is entirely covered in GS. Modern history देख लो, ancient देख लो, medieval देख लो, and books are all almost same.
Yeah, पूरा का पूरा it's less.
And I guarantee it. I take more time to teach it because I don't want student to study anything apart from me. GS में there is no guarantee. GS में student आते हैं, सर आपने पढ़ा दिया, इसके बाद क्या पढ़ना है, तो वो मैं खुद भी कहता हूँ कि भाई ये. But in optional I say it with full guarantee. Whatever I teach, उसके बाद जो मैं आंसर राइटिंग स्टाइल बताता हूँ, just do it. Just do it and sleep and do something else. है ना, study GS, study other parts. Not me. And I say it with full guarantee.
So as we have debunked all the myths around, sir, in this series, I would like to ask one more question. That is history optional, all about like learning the facts, the years, the dates? Is it all about rote learning, memorizing? Because this is a myth around the students.
Ma'am, abhi if you have seen, abhi Article 370's removal was discussed in Supreme Court. And it was a constitutional debate. 5 judges were sitting there.
Yes, sir.
Those judges and lawyers have to talk less about political sections than a GS student.
Okay.
वो जो कपिल सिब्बल और CJI DY Chandrachud were discussing, their discussions have less articles quotations than a GS class. The lower you will come, more data you will have to cram.
True.
No mathematician ever have to calculate 27 cube.
True.
मैथमेटिशियन 27 का क्यूब नहीं बैठ के निकालता है कि 63 क्यूब ही हैज टू फाइंड. Likewise, the higher you will go in a subject, less data will appear. जैसे मैं एक एग्जांपल बताता हूँ.
Yes, sir.
In GS, महात्मा गांधी stopped non-cooperation movement after चौरी चौरा.
Okay.
अब GS स्टाइल ये है. Date of चौरी चौरा, events of चौरी चौरा, how many members, who fought their case, कितनों को जेल हुई, गांधी जी किस दिन अरेस्ट हुए, 7 days after that, when he 7 days क्या मार्च में होते, 5 February was this, 12 February he ended non-cooperation. तो non-cooperation was ended before चौरी चौरा, after. इतनी information है infinite. Where was गांधी जी, who said first भारत माता की जय, who first gave him name महात्मा. अब ऑप्शनल स्टाइल सुन लें. गांधी जी stopped non-cooperation movement. View of Mahatma Gandhi followers because of violence. View of Khilafat movement कि Gandhi was a Hindu leader who supported a Muslim movement. When he thought Muslim movement would get his success, he betrayed it. He took non-cooperation movement away, जिससे ब्रिटिश का सारा ध्यान खिलाफत को क्रश करने में आए. तो ending non-cooperation is not of Chauri Chaura, it is betrayal of Gandhi to Khilafat movement.
Okay.
View of Marxist. Gandhi was a businessman lover. He was funded by Ghanshyam Das Birla, Jamna Lal Bajaj. And when Gandhi thought कि movement is going out of control and turning against the businessmen, because चौरी चौरा में before policemen वो जला के आए थे, go down. तो उसी दिन go down भी जलाया गया था. The same day go down was burnt.
Okay.
तो गांधीयन व्यू नॉन वायलेंस, मुस्लिम व्यू खिलाफत मूवमेंट का betrayal है. मार्क्सिस्ट व्यू गांधी डू नॉट वांट दिस मूवमेंट टू गो अगेंस्ट इंडियन बिजनेसमैन. He want to have a bourgeois controlled movement, hijacking of movement.
Okay.
And one more view of these British, कि Gandhi was someone who took the leverage, who wanted to take benefit of Muslim support into Indian national movement. When he thought that Muslims are not supporting, Mapilla Mupla revolt हो गए, तो Gandhi stopped it. तो one event has 4-5 views. जैसे हमारे घर में one relative do not came, तो our mother has a view, aunt has a view, बुआ has a view. तो जैसे हमारे घर की पंचायत में 5-6 व्यू होते हैं, every historical event has 4-5 views. And that you will need not to remember anything. आपको कुछ याद नहीं रखना पड़ेगा. ऑप्शनल के क्वेश्चन देख लें. डू यू थिंक, जैसे एक बार क्वेश्चन आया था इन जीएस, ऑप्शनल स्टाइल क्वेश्चन इन जीएस, व्हाट वुड हैव बीन द नेचर ऑफ इंडियन मूवमेंट इफ देयर वुड हैव बीन नो गांधी. एक इवेंट नहीं याद रखना है इसमें आपको.
You don't even have to state any dates or
Not even a date, not even a name.
Yeah.
तो ऑप्शनल हैज टू रिमेंबर लीस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन, वॉट एवर इंफॉर्मेशन इट इज ऑर्गेनिकली डिजाइंड. वो इतनी ऑर्गेनिक होगी कि यू विल नॉट नीड टू रिमेंबर एनीथिंग. वो आपको रिमेंबर हो ही जाएगा. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपके घर में मैं हूं, इफ आई कम टू योर हाउस एंड आई ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ योर हाउस, तो फॉर मी इट विल बी इम्पॉसिबल. बट बिकॉज योर फंडामेंटल्स आर क्लियर, आप याद नहीं करना पड़ता आपको किस बुआ कौन सी शादी में आई थी, है ना, विच आंट बिट्राइड योर फैमिली इन विच फंक्शन. स्टोरी इज सो ऑर्गेनिकली डिजाइंड, एंड यू ऑल्सो रिवाइज इट विद योर relatives every day on phone, you need not to remember any name. So optional is like the politics of a house.
Okay.
Where whatever information is needed you will remember, whatever is not information, whatever is not important will not come in that. उतनी बार आएगी नहीं. GS has this challenge. Main problem is student rate optional according to GS of history. वो main challenge है.
And so
Two things, एक चीज और, GS में 2 चीजें extra हैं. One is these views, which will make subject more organic. ये तो और organic बनाता है. Second is mapping, which I take 100% guarantee of. कि जो भी past year student है, वही मैं कहता हूँ. Once 2 students came out and they were asking, do you teach history optional? You are, sir. So I said yes. He said, how is history optional here? What should I take here or not? So I have taken the break and some students were standing out of my same class. So I said, they are the better ones to ask.
Okay.
I have a conflict of interest. And you are asking a mother how her child is.
Childless.
Ask his neighbors
How the child is.
how the child is. So neighbors will give you the real picture. So better ask the students. Obviously, I am here to. I should not praise myself, but I will have to.
Definitely, sir. You should.
नहीं, just joking. So mapping, which I take 100% guarantee of. Mapping, अच्छा, for last 3 years, optionals, performance history optional further improved. The reason is in mapping they started giving state maps.
Okay.
Earlier maps do not have the state lines. So it was difficult to ascertain it is Mathura or Bharatpur. Bayana is in Bharatpur, Mathura is this side. So UP Rajasthan border was not clear. Now they have started giving state map also, so mapping to become very organic. And I take guarantee also. I take so many mapping classes at the end. It is the student who say bas enough.
Okay.
I don't want mapping beyond that. 10 to 11 classes. So after 10 to 11 classes of mapping everything, every map, they by heart. Because I know it's a challenge which students are scared about. So don't be scared. So map optional has two extra things. One is views, which will make it organic. Second is mapping, which I take guarantee of.
So, like for example, definitely it's clear कि if your fundamentals are clear, then definitely you would want to add more figures and facts to make it look like more attractive. Your answer more like attractive to the copy checker. Now, sir, what is the performance of history optional? Like, how is history optional performing, keeping in mind the 2023 final results? Like, is it a scoring subject? How do you
First thing,
decide?
let me tell you, it is before scoring, it is a respectable subject.
Definitely.
A respectable subject means if you say, or if UPSC thinks, ki there was a time when PubAd, public administration, I was not here, but from my elders I know, public administration was a go-to optional. Those were the days of two optionals. UPSC understood. Achha, first thing, to let me tell you, be very blunt about it. For some reasons, UPSC want students not to do coaching.
Okay.
That UPSC say. It is, I'll discuss it some other day, ki how it's like a wishful thinking. You are giving the post of DM by taking an exam, and you don't want students to prepare about it.
Yeah.
So that's like asking ki you want people to die out of a disease, not to take the medicine of it. है ना कि medicine, अंग्रेजी दवाइयाँ अच्छी नहीं होती हैं, and you are dying out of fever. So you should take paracetamol. So we are like lock company, we are also necessary evil. जैसे everyone wants a society where locks are not needed. But we are not living in ideal society. है ना, you are taking an exam where you are taking science and tech, art and culture,
Yeah.
geography and polity, and CSAT, mathematics and this. So Indian society. Which college will teach all these subjects? So that's why, like lock companies, we are also there. So because of this, if you will say your optional is anthropology, your optional is public administration, your optional is sociology, and your optional is PSIR. These four optionals. Everyone know that you came to this preparation for a push factor. You anyhow want to crack the exam. You have taken admission somewhere and you started cramming the subjects. If you say your optional is mathly, your optional is mathematics,
Yeah.
your optional is history, even geography, people will understand that you may be taking coaching or may not be taking coaching. But you are not a market-driven person.
Yes. You actually put your interest in the subject.
You are interested in the subject.
Yes.
These subjects are never purged. Yeah, PubAd in 2013 they have given out of 625 marks.
Okay.
The person who was scoring 300 marks in the last paper got 30 marks. And you check it. So this optional going up and down this market, you have to, God forbid, you have to give 6 attempts. You never know where market will go. All other, these 4 or 5 optionals are share market. If they will serve you, they will serve you good. But if they will not serve you, तो फिर वो क्या कहते हैं वो मोए मोए हो जाएगा, है ना? तो if they will serve you, they will serve you well. But if they will not serve you, they will punish you. These subjects, they are always respectable. Their notebooks are or copies are checked with respect. Everyone understand in interview also. A person will not ask you कि आप engineer होके history optional, तो you will say history is a subject which I love.
Yeah.
And everyone loves history subject.
Yeah.
I should not say this, I am not a subject supremacist. Every subject has its importance. But all these subjects are branches of history. Yes, electronics is a branch of mechanical, computer science is branch of electronics. So these subjects, history means past. We have started this podcast in history. ये past में तो शुरू किया था. Present do not exist. There are only future and history. Why present do not exist is a separate story, but everything is history. है ना? You have asked this question in history. So history is a respectable subject. And second thing is scoring. So basic Google search will tell you how scoring it is. What is the percentage? You go to any mains exam center, you see how many rooms are for anthropology, PSIR, sociology, and how many rooms for history. If I am interested in Maithili optional, Maithili क्या कहते हैं वो literature, Sanskrit literature, जो भी literature है,
Yeah.
go for it. If you are interested in it, go for it. Copy check करने वाला भी respect से check करता है.
Yes.
History optional and other subjects, these subjects which are traditional. History is 400. Ibn Khaldun, Herodotus के समय history subject चल रहा है ना 2600. हर्षवर्धन, बाणभट्ट history, राजतरंगिणी history. तो history is a respectable subject. Respectable means second thing because of market, less competition, lesser competition. And second thing, in any subject you have to come to top 1%. For example, if you want to become a football player, Brazilian football player earn the best, but it's better for you to try your luck in India.
True.
You can easily make up an Indian football team,
Yes.
not an Indian cricket team. If you ask me, I'm equally talented in football and cricket in India, which is having better scope, go for Indian football.
Football.
Cricket में तो
Millions
क्या
are going for
बताऊं?
it.
अरे वो क्या नाम है, अंबाती रायडू, he could not play in World Cups. VVS Lakshman never played World Cup. तो in cricket it's like that only. कि if you are inclined to something, go for a place of less competition. है ना? If I want to open a restaurant, it will be better in a tier 2 or 3 city in the same investment.
True.
In Delhi you will open a samosa shop at best. है ना? 2 करोड़ की तो 2 crore rupees you will have to spend for a small 6x6 shop. In 2 crore rupees in tier 2 city, you can lead the city.
True.
That's why I've seen every city have a best school. That school never tried to come into Delhi or Lucknow or Jaipur or in that matter Bangalore. They are ruling the tier 2 places. So if you are a computer science engineer, so Silicon Valley is not the best option. Silicon Valley will push you. So likewise, if you are good at any optional which is not very market driven, best for you. Because I have seen a student ruining their life in everywhere. वो मैंने बताया ना, in every business there are bankrupts, in every business there are crorepati. Choose the business in which you are good at. हाँ जी.
Yeah, because investment in the right subject is very important. And after your answer, it is definitely sure that stability is there in history's performance.
हाँ, it's never persecuted, never purged. And I really amaze the students whom I am giving 150 marks out of 500, they are scoring 250. The reason is, it is a 500 years old subject. Just I'm digressing. When Lord Macaulay was asked, what should be the syllabus of ICS exam in 1854, when he was designing this exams for civil services, Lord Macaulay was the head of it. So he says the syllabus of civil services exam should coincide with the past knowledge of humanity.
Okay.
In 1947, we have changed from humanity to India. Syllabus of UPSC exam is knowledge of India, whatever happened in past. So syllabus is enormous for every subject. History is so respectable, it is hundreds of year old subject and its fundamentals are very clear. You have to do these things, clearly established. I can show you, I have question paper, अभी आपको तो मैं दिखाऊं, 1922 when the first paper took place in India. जब ICS exam first took place in India 1922, I have the question paper of that. First question is, golden age lie not in past but in future. ये उसका पहला question है, which is as relevant as today. Golden age lie not in past but in future. You have to write the problems of past kingdoms. Future पे तो लिख नहीं दोगे, you are not an astrologer.
Okay, so that was really insightful. So how would you say that history as an optional is going to help in other GS papers too? Because we know there's kind of overlapping, but how exactly?
देखिए, in GS of history, entire syllabus is exactly matching, congruous. In GS, only 2 things you have to add in it. One is the name of books in ancient and medieval. And in optional, we don't need to remember these name of literature. Whatever are very famous literature, we have to remember. जैसे Indica of Megasthenes, and a Siyuki of Huyen Sang, so on. In GS, you have to remember much more. That is one added thing. In GS, you have to remember name of books. In optional, we also do it, but in optional, no one asks you that. जैसे mains paper में one benefit is, whatever you know, you could write. Whatever you don't, you could miss. Problem of GS is it comes in prelims. तो prelims में, तो one thing. In modern personalities, there is one added challenge of GS. Otherwise, GN and optional is exactly same. And majority of paper 1 is history. Second thing, वो तो फिर every optional subject claim it. कि while writing essay, while writing about Indian society. अब जैसे last year question came कि India's society of present is trace its roots from Vedic age. अब this is the question of society or history. आपसे मैं पूछ रहा हूँ.
It should be
It could be put in both.
both. Yeah.
तो society वाला कहेगा कि it comes from society. A history subject will say it comes from history.
Basically, when we are choosing history optional, so we are covering the fundamental path for GS as
For
well.
GS.
You just have to remember the facts for GS.
भाई अब आप ये बताओ कि if you have to understand कि how Indian constitution is made, and if you don't know the problems of Muslim League and Congress, so you can't understand कि why in spite of federalism we could break state in 1 hour, why center could put president rule, why we have chosen so strong center, why election commission is designed in such a way, why president is head of all. So all thing, once I was discussing with Ravindran sir, I was sitting just to show off कि I also know something. So really, just to impress him कि मैं भी थोड़ा बहुत सर जानता हूँ. So I started talking something about British parliamentary history.
Yes, sir.
And he started telling me about British parliamentary history because he says कि there was a time when this was a subject of UPSC. Parliamentary history of Britain.
Okay.
So I had a basic view by which I want to show off Ravindran sir. But then he made my concept clear कि I am right.
Okay.
He was doing it technically. So he told me for 1 hour, almost a small lecture on parliamentary history of Britain, which made Indian polity so crystal clear, so organically clear. कि if after knowing British parliamentary history, if I ask you to write the constitution, you will write the same constitution.
For Indian politics.
For Indian polity. So I will not say history. Obviously, knowledge of past is something which shape us. You say, who are we? We are Indian. And what is India? India's history. So likewise, entire social sciences. Mathematics is the mother of natural sciences. History is the mother of social
All
sciences.
the social sciences.
हाँ जी.
Exactly. True.
तो
sir.
अच्छा एक आध चीज और है
Sure, sir.
कि in history you will have to remember things without effort. जैसे why Abul Fazl is praising Akbar because he was court poet. Why Badayuni is criticizing because he was a Muslim fundamentalist.
Okay.
अब Ziauddin Barni, his grandfather died when Muhammad bin Tughlaq ordered from Delhi to Daulatabad capital shift. 2 महीने में बेचारे के दादाजी की डेथ हो गई. His family lost a lot of wealth. अब Barni will praise Tughlaq or will criticize? Obviously criticize. अब Huayn Sang came to India and Harshvardhan called 2 assemblies in his favor. Gave him a lot of money. Gave him a lot of wealth.
Definitely.
महीनों तक बैठ के उसको जो है चाय पिलाई अपनी कोर्ट में. अब what you think? Huayn Sang will criticize.
Appreciate, definitely.
So if you know such things about history, you will see history is so organic. History is just to understand these human emotions and rate them. Believe me, optional is that organic. इतना organic है optional. हाँ जी.
Definitely, sir. This was really insightful. Sir, my next question to you would be, so like, since the time of Arjun and Drona, we have known the role of like teacher or guru is how it is important in students' life. So how do you say at like present time how important the role of a teacher is in optional journey and especially in history? What would you say about it?
देखिए, I'm talking about Dronacharya will be a bit more for me. है ना वो actually when my other friends, elders, parents will see, so they will think I'm talking about Dronacharya. But
Definitely,
yes,
definitely.
हाँ नहीं, yes ma'am. But my main duty for a student is to technically teach him the subject, not the knowledge of life. ये जितनी बात मैं आपसे कह रहा हूँ, it is only to support my teaching. I am not a great believer. कि I have to prepare you for life. I have to prepare. Actually, we deal with adult students who are in their 20s, late 20s. 50 years ago, they would be having children at this age. And our grandparents had children at this age.
Yes, sir.
So thank God that I have to teach with mature students.
Mature ones.
Those who have done at least graduation or jobs. Many of them are married also.
True.
So I'm not a great believer that my job is to guide some student. My job is to teach you history in such a way कि when UPSC asks a question, you write the answer. Main job of Dronacharya is to teach Arjun Chakravyuh.
Yeah.
है ना चक्रव्यूह. वैसे तो इंटरेस्टिंगली आई ऑल्सो शो स्टूडेंट हाउ चक्रव्यूह इज मेड इन फ्री टाइम. मेरे को थोड़ी इस बात का इंटरेस्ट है कि वो चक्रव्यूह के 7 गेट कहाँ थे
Okay.
तो हाँ, कभी होगा तो आई विल मेक अ वीडियो ऑन
Definitely
दैट.
in the class, sir.
नहीं, क्लास नहीं, मैं एक वीडियो ही बना के डाल देंगे.
Great, sir. Great.
हाँ, कि
Definitely.
व्हाट इज दिस चक्रव्यूह, हाउ इट वाज ब्रोकन एंड वो कैसे
I'm
वो.
sure students will be very much interested in
हाँ
that
हाँ
as
हाँ
well.
हाँ. आई नो सम. आई एक्चुअली वॉर हिस्ट्री इज वन ऑफ माई एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट.
Okay.
कि क्या वॉर, बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज बिलीव इन ब्रेवरी एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. टेक्नोलॉजी जनरली विंस बिकॉज एवरीवन इज ब्रेव. यही मैं बताना चाह रहा हूँ. द्रोणाचार्य मेन जॉब इज टू टीच हिज स्टूडेंट्स द टेक्निकलिटीज. यू आर ऑल मोटिवेटेड, आप सब मोटिवेटेड हो. तो माई जॉब इज टू मेक माई स्टूडेंट की वेन ही टॉक्स टू समवन he should feel confident when he look at a question paper. That's why I ask my students कि जो भी हिस्ट्री ऑप्शनल की टेस्ट सीरीज कहीं पे भी चल रही है, do see that. है ना, ऐसा नहीं है जो मैंने आपको पढ़ाया, whatever I have taught you, you should be interested in that. Because there is sometimes a bias comes. Whatever teacher is teaching, he create a closed word, he only is taking the test. So that's why I ask a student कि bring me the answers which are asked anywhere else. कहीं पे भी आप कोई क्वेश्चन पढ़ें तो उसको and feel confident about it. Anyone who's talking or taking the test of my student or talking to him should feel inferior.
Yeah, open to the challenges should be the.
मतलब he should feel superior. If you don't have superiority complex, there is no point having a mutual discussion.
Yes.
है ना, कि आप कभी भी किसी से बात करें तो you should feel like a heavyweight boxer. तो heavyweight boxer जो होता है वो कभी भी लड़ाई हो जाती है तो बात नहीं करता, फिर वो पंच चलाता है.
The action speaks.
हाँ, the action speaks. तो you should be so supremely confident about yourself. And I think the only thing I could do it is by telling you technicalities of it. I ask my student ki in optional, I'll cover everything of the subject. That's why you will see I should not say this, but generally my syllabus delays by 5, 6, 7 days. So first thing, I'm not a believer of 2.5 hours class. Generally class are long and students are also happy with that. The long class, I explain you everything, each and everything. In optional question should come directly from what we discuss. And it will come. So as a Dronacharya, my job is कि Arjun should have all the weapons with him. And
Great.
Arjun should know all the 7 gates of Chakravyuh beforehand.
That is.
Rather than me telling you कि life में challenge और वो क्या आता, मंजिल को भुला के जिया तो क्या जिया, जो पानी से नहाएगा वो इतिहास बदलेगा, types of things. तो float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Don't be, when you are floating, when you are talking, to it should be informal, it should be funny, it should be. But when you are writing your answer, it should be precisely technical.
Yeah,
100%.
like a warrior.
Like a warrior. Go for the kill.
True.
है ना, तो जैसे a scientist who know his job in and out, है ना, who's just heavyweight boxer never picks the fight. जब वो बाहर बैठा है तो he's getting bullied by the interviewer, he's getting bullied by someone else, he's getting bullied by but when he enter the ring, so he should be feeling the match in his grip. So you should feel that. And technical knowledge is the only thing. Technical knowledge is the only thing which will help you in your life.
That is the only weapon you should.
जैसे I generally ma'am give one example.
Sure, sir.
Technicalities are so much love कि there are 2 students. One loves law and order. One is a social worker. Whenever he see a crime, he go and stop the crime. Second is very irresponsible. Whenever he see a crime, he close his eyes. But he know his subject and could write answer. Whom government will make IPS officer?
Second one.
Second one.
Yeah.
That is, you can say, irony of this word. Everyone love technicality. जैसे for example, you will like a soft spoken doctor or a bad behavior doctor who knows the operation well.
We definitely want second one.
Second one, behavior where कुछ नहीं है. Motivation is nothing.
Yeah.
Confidence comes from your answer writing, your knowledge, your good practices.
The technique is your key.
Technique is and knowledge is the key. तो my job is to impart knowledge and technique. ये सब नहीं कि वो आपको मैं बेहतर इंसान बना दूं. Your jokingly I say your parents have already failed. वो नहीं बेहतर इंसान बना पाए तो मैं क्या बनाऊंगा. मीन्स जैसे आप इंसान हो वैसे ही रहो. एंड वी आर गुड पर्सन. आप यूपीएससी की तैयारी, अगर आप बैड पर्सन होते तो यू मस्ट बी डूइंग समथिंग एल्स.
That is very well said.
हाँ,
sir.
तो आप ऑनेस्ट हो बेसिक लेवल के.
So definitely we are going to provide the 360-degree knowledge for like our students without spilling much of your secrets, sir. please tell us like what kind of teaching style we follow in the classroom and what exactly is the pattern of the class for optional program.
अच्छा, I was told about, I've seen the last podcast, so I knew this question will come.
Okay.
मैंने लास्ट कुछ देख रखे हैं तो मेरे को पता था क्वेश्चन आएगा.
Okay.
तो I have a bit, if you give me 4-5 minutes, so I would like to elaborate
Sure,
it. देखिए, first class number 1 when I start, तो I give the synopsis of the entire syllabus. Okay, I'll start from here. I don't want to tell students a thriller movie. कि क्या आएगा सोचो. I want to make students, जैसे for example, before every class I write the list of topics. कि today we'll go to cover these topics. So that the student should have some calmness because his brain is already turbulent.
True.
So in first class, the entire class I give the synopsis. कि first I'll teach this, then this much time in this topic, then I'll deal with Neolithic age. Neolithic means this. Then I'll go to Vedic age. Then we have 600 periods before Indus Valley and Vedic age where we don't know anything. Some Chalcolithic culture. Chalcolithic मतलब क्या होता है? तो one class I spend or deal my time with this. Second class is I discuss with them 15 years questions
Okay.
in short. So that when you should know after 15 years of questions कि what is UPSC asking for? याद क्या रखना है? जैसे for example, if I take you to the journey of old Rajendra Nagar, then I take a property broker, then I take a politician, then I take a वो क्या कहते हैं उसे, कोई एक बिजनेसमैन,
Okay.
any businessman, mobile seller. तो प्रॉपर्टी बिजनेसमैन विल ओनली सी कि कौन सा घर खाली है
Exactly.
ना. ही हैज टू लुक विच हाउस इज वैकेंट, कहाँ पे कितने प्रॉपर्टी ब्रोकर हैं, कहाँ पे मेरा क्या स्कोप है. Whereas you will see कि ये पे अच्छी शॉप है, वो अच्छी शॉप है, ये मोबाइल की शॉप है, यहाँ पे सब्जी मिल जाएगी अच्छी एज अ स्टूडेंट.
Yeah.
मोबाइल शॉप ओनर विल सी कि अच्छा यहाँ पे मोबाइल की दुकान नहीं है, इधर बहुत सारे लड़के मोबाइल यूज कर रहे हैं, इधर रिचार्ज हो रहा है. तो you should also have some perspective when I teach कि what I have to pick. That's why 15 years of question I discuss in class number 2. Then I start the topics. Before every topic, I take historiography.
Okay, sir.
Let me give you some example.
Sure, sir. Sure.
जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल हिस्टोरियोग्राफी आप ऐसा करें कि आई विल शो यू टू कैमरा, जैसे इफ एनीवन वांट्स टू टेक द, जैसे हिस्टोरियोग्राफी मींस दिस, अगर ये कैमरे पे आ रहा हो तो, जैसे इंडस वैली की ये हिस्टोरियोग्राफी. हिस्टोरियोग्राफी मींस कि आई विल टीच द सब्जेक्ट लेटर, बट लेट मी गो थ्रू कि हाउ वी कम अक्रॉस इंडस वैली. तो इन मोहनजोदारो देयर वाज अ माउंड, अलेक्जेंडर कनिंघम डिस्क्राइब्ड इट एज स्तूप. फिर राखल दास बेनर्जी वेंट, दयाराम साहनी उन्होंने कुछ खोदा. Then they were confused what happened. फिर 1925 एक सील मिली. तो 1929 ये this John Marshall called it पशुपति सील. फिर मॉर्टिमर व्हीलर आए. तो मॉर्टिमर व्हीलर सेड कि ये तो आर्यंस हैव डिस्ट्रॉयड इट. देन एब्रप्ट एंडिंग थ्योरी. फिर वो क्या E.H. Mackay came. फिर हाँ D.K. चक्रवर्ती who's father of anthropology. He says slow start, slow evolution. Then B.B. Lal came, he said Indus Valley civilization is Vedic in nature. ये तो वैदिक civilization है. Then Iravatham Mahadevan came. He says नहीं, ये Dravidian in nature है. All these debates I discuss. Then I start teaching.
Okay.
When I teach you the subject, you should teach it like a man with authority who know all the debates. When I will say देखो ये सील मिली है, इस पे फायर अल्टार बना है, फायर अल्टार, तो you will immediately say कि हाँ देखो B.B. Lal was right. But then I'll show you कि देखो ये पे Brahui language is like Dravidian. So you should immediately say, हाँ, Iravatham Mahadevan looks right. Then I'll show you some skeleton. तो आपको लगेगा नहीं यार, Mortimer Wheeler is also right. You should feel like a man with authority. जैसे in Vedic age, if I have to show you.
Sure, sir.
हाँ, before class I start this. ये थोड़ा rough सा है because it is my notes. कि in 1780 first Asiatic Society of Bengal, तो William Jones says Sanskrit, Greek, Latin, they are same language. Rain है, rain है. जैसे I hope you are aware in the rural villages of India, burning means burning only. Word for burning is burna.
Okay.
बर जाना.
अच्छा.
अगर आपने कभी गांव में सुना हो, बर जाना. They say rain, we say rain. They say serpent, we say sarp.
Yes, sir.
तो all these words are same. So on this basis, then James Mill came. He says 3 division: ancient, medieval, modern, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, और Hindu, Muslim and British rule. Then Max Muller came. फिर वो वेद पढ़े उन्होंने. फिर this happened in 20th century. तो फर्स्ट हिस्टोरियोग्राफी, इट टेक्स सम टाइम, बट आफ्टर दैट स्टूडेंट फील फुल अथॉरिटी.
Okay.
आई शुड नॉट से दिस, अभी भी हमारी बुक्स और सब उसी जमाने में पड़े हुए हैं जब सीधे सीधे इंडस वैली स्लैश एंड अर्बन. नो वन आस्क क्वेश्चन ऑन इंडस वैली स्लैश एंड अर्बनाइजेशन. नो.
Yeah, anymore.
जीएस में भी सब स्टूडेंट्स को पता है अर्बनाइजेशन. इट इज आस्क्ड हाउ वैदिक इट इज. वैदिक फायर अल्टार जो मिला है वो वैदिक है कि द्रविडियन है कि क्रिश्चियन है. व्हाट इज द नेचर ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन? वैदिक सिविलाइजेशन में आर वेद एंड इंडस वैली कनेक्टेड और नॉट? दिस इज द मेन डिबेट. You know, what about fire chariots? What about these horse chariots? What about the Sanoli finding? Sanoli will not be asked. जैसे बीबी लाल said कि PGW is not the only pottery. Below PGW there is BRW. Below BRW there is OCP. ये बीबी लाल said 60 years ago.
Okay.
अभी सिनोली में excavation हुआ where at OCP level chariot, horse chariot is found.
True.
If this could be proven without doubt, बस end of the debate क्या? It could be proven Indus Valley civilization and Vedic people have connections. तो if I tell you beforehand, तो पढ़ाते पढ़ाते ही आप पिक करने लग जाओगे कि this is for this purpose, this is for this historian, this is for this historian. So you will feel in authority. उसके बाद book is just an information for you. And last thing which I do at the end of it, ये सब करने के बाद, you should remember the things on your tips. पूरा पढ़ाने के बाद, after hundreds of pages, you should remember the things of tips. If I ask you, Mauryan age was more centralized than Gupta. तो तुरंत बताएं, cash salary, spy system, no hereditary office, checks and balances, bureaucracy selected by exams. टिप पे होना चाहिए चीज.
Yeah, everything will be on your tips.
Means if I ask you, तो you should have a muscle memory. जैसे if I ask a present government supporters, तो तुरंत बताते हैं वो ये योजना वो योजना और ये उज्ज्वला मिशन दिस मिशन. And if I ask the opposition why he's bad, तो they also have this in tips.
True.
The one who know more never wins the debate. The one who remember thing during the discussion wins the debate.
Wins the debate.
आप मुझसे डिबेट करें और घर में जाके आपको याद आए खाना, अरे यार
Doesn't matter.
I should have spoken this, so that doesn't happen. So for that I have these tables, which I maps and tables, which I make every day. ये मैं आप चाहे तो पॉज करके देख लेना. तो these are the around 30 differences of Vedic age, later Vedic age and Mahajanpad. 30 differences हैं. तो such differences will take you things on the tips. Or for example, such maps. जैसे there are 4 questions asked on this single table. What is कर्म?
You would say these are the golden notes.
हाँ, golden क्या मैम, मतलब it should be.
These definitely are the golden
हाँ,
notes.
boasting about ourselves, but चलो if you are saying तो I'll accept it is golden.
No, sir. We are
So-
like, you are the favorite of the crowd.
नहीं जैसे मैम एक small question है which we discuss various types of philosophies. GSR philosophy more than optional. कि pouring milk on shivling, I discuss with every GS class almost. Pouring milk on shivling will give you more benefit, or feeding this milk to a hungry child will give you more benefit.
You know, the practically second thing is more beneficial one.
Every philosophy have their own answer.
Yeah.
अब जैसे वैदिक philosophy says, ritual philosophy, samhitas brahman, mimamsa which we say,
Yeah.
pouring it in ritual, fire altar.
Yeah.
Because then God will give you 100 liters of milk.
Yeah.
Then feed the children.
Yeah, we also heard of the medicinal properties of that.
नहीं medicinal भी नहीं मैम, medicinal भी छोड़ो, God will help you.
Okay.
Let's not be scientific.
Let's be philosophy.
Let's be original.
Okay.
Because we all know, we all are aware कि religion may do something good. अब may or may not, that's a separate story. तो Vedic people say pouring milk on shivling or in ritual. Upanishad, Buddhism, Jainism will say feeding it to a child. Charvak will say drinking yourself.
Yeah.
अब if you see rationally, तो what will give you more benefit? Pouring it on shivling, giving to a child, or drink yourself?
The last one.
Drink ourselves.
yourselves. Yeah.
That's why we say karma has a different meaning in different philosophies.
True.
So from this example we start, and all the 21 philosophies have from this one question.
True.
So this debate is on karma, on which 3 questions are asked in last 10 years. So that will make you easy to understand the perspective of question. जैसे they asked कि how Buddhism is rooted in Upanishad, so everything is rooted in Upanishad. So Upanishad is the one who for the first time says pouring milk in ritual is not important, giving it to a child is more important. Buddhism, Jainism later developed on it. So there are various such differences and similarities. So these things should be on your tips. Historiography and these bullet points. हाँ जी.
I'm sure this was like very amusing for you. This answer was very amusing for you, and you know what the teaching style is going to be in the classroom. Now, one more thing, sir. We are talking about the teaching pattern that what we are going to discuss in the classroom, how we are going to do it. So, what is the role of Vajiram and Ravi here? What is the aspects that we are going to cover? in the classroom, and how is Vajiram Ravi going to make sure that students who are choosing the history optional program here will ace it?
देखो, first thing तो about Vajiram and Ravi, the best thing is it is managed by or running by, because before this I have taught few other places also, I don't want to name. It is run by those who are hardcore teachers, and especially जैसे they know it. For example, कि अभी I have taken GS classes and I was given less classes, means, but my teaching style is in such that you could see कि the way
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
discuss things.
Definitely.
In this, no one ever asked me कि syllabus is getting delayed. So first thing तो, it is taught from the perspective of teacher and students. It is totally taught from the perspective of teacher and students. Second thing, कि the benefit of having a reputable place is, it is the aspiration of teachers to teach here. So that's why you will find best.
Indeed.
Because other institutes are to train their teachers for Vajiram. Generally teachers' aspirations. Generally teachers, you ask any teacher,
Yeah.
so he will say that his aspiration is to teach in Vajiram, and every day if you will see the counter, so 500 resumes come.
True, sir.
है ना, 500 resume comes.
True.
तो first thing तो खुदा मेहरबान तो गधा पहलवान. But the other thing is, so you will find a teacher who's above a threshold level. Second thing, which I guarantee personally, me and all the teachers of Vajiram are available to all the students round the clock. Even if you are not enrolled in Vajiram, just walk in, take the name of teacher, discuss with him whatever you want. And all teachers, including me, have their personal numbers, have their personal contact. If I show you the WhatsApp, so in every hour I get 30-40 messages. That's why now student blame also. जैसे one girl once wrote कि जब तुम्हें reply नहीं करना तो message number क्यों दिया? तो it is not humanly possible for me to reply all of them.
True, sir.
But when a student message me multiple times, so everyone have my number also. And everyone is accessible. First thing. Second thing, all the notes and other things to infrastructure related. If infrastructure is big and good, so obviously you will get every help. Whatever help. And second, next thing is responsiveness. Responsiveness means if you have some complaint of teacher, any teacher, God forbid, any teacher, so there is a higher authority which take care of all these things. Very clear about their respect, very clear about their basic quality. So generally, and me talking about Vajiram and praising it is a bit, people will not believe it.
They will,
ये
sir, definitely.
हाँ,
You're
वो-
just being humble.
हाँ नहीं humble की भी बात नहीं है, people will not believe it. है ना, it's like कि विराट कोहली talking about BCCI कि what opportunity BCCI gave, तो a lot. So everything, almost I owe everything. My respect in society is only because I am connected with Vajiram. Believe me.
Indeed.
I may be teaching much better in any YouTube channel or on my own. Hardly 10-20 people would have heard it. It's not कि my other videos are not available on YouTube.
It's with the prestige we are talking
हाँ,
about.
prestige. Believe me, it's prestige. And I'm not making it up. This is the only thing I could say.
True, sir.
The reason is it has proven itself. It has a basic quality, the basic वो legacy. जैसे फुटबॉल प्लेयर ना रियल मैड्रिड, तो वो बस रियल मैड्रिड में यू आर डिफेंडर ऑफ रियल बेंच ऑफ रियल मैड्रिड. आप रियल मैड्रिड की बेंच पे बैठे हो. अब आई शुड नॉट से दिस कि टीचर्स ऑफ वाजीराम एवरी वीक गेट ऑफर्स फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर, है ना. तो बट दे आर नॉट विलिंग. तो इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वाजीराम, तो लेट मी पुट इट ब्लंटली कि रेस्ट अश्योर्ड अबाउट द क्वालिटी. एनीवन हु इज टीचिंग हियर, वो मतलब यू आर लुकिंग एट द मिनिमम क्वालिटी.
Sir, you're
नहीं
just
नहीं
being
हम्बल की बात नहीं. आई बिलीव इट. आपको इससे बेहतरी क्वालिटी मिलेगी, तो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट.
Your fan following will not agree with this.
नहीं नहीं, फैन फॉलोइंग तो अब फैन ही, तो फिर तो क्या ही एग्री करेंगे. बट फैन तो का तो कोई कंसेप्ट नहीं है एक्चुअली. नहीं, आई दिस इज व्हाट आई नो कि व्हाट टीचर शुड. अच्छा चलिए मैम, आप अगला सवाल पूछें. ये अब अपनी बात क्या बताऊं.
Sure, sir.
ठीक
You're
बात.
just being humble. I would
नहीं,
again
ठीक
say.
बात है.
Sir, one more thing. It is like no secret how you're favorite among the crowd, as we are talking about it. You have created like your own space in the world of history. You're famous across the India, across the country. Students are your fan. They are fan following of students for you. What would be your message to the students using this platform? What would you like to say in concluding words?
First thing I'll tell the students, and I really believe it, and I should not say it कि why. Let me talk about myself. Not I'm sitting here. मतलब I was never so good. I am never as good कि you are asking me questions and people are listening me. But I was also not as bad as once everyone was cursing as a failure. तो why I was always, अब पता नहीं आज का तो नहीं कर सकता, why I always was a failure. तो मैं अपनी बता देता हूँ. I was always a failure because I was not healthy. 99% aspirants of UPSC are not healthy. Health is the first thing which you have to take care. जैसे एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल मैं बताऊं. You will notice कि majority of students when they start preparing, they get pimples on their face. अब आप ये बताएं कि at the age of 20s, late 20s, तो acne pimple नहीं आते हैं. It's lack of vitamin D. If I show you my WhatsApp, मैं कहता तो नहीं हूँ स्टूडेंट से, मैं फेस देख के स्टूडेंट्स को बुला के I tell them कि get your vitamin D checked. And I can show you every week I get at least 6 to 7 reports of students. D should be 30 to 60. They have 7, 8.
Oh my God.
First thing. Second thing, you will see. So if you first sign, if you are getting some acne pimple on your face with lack of vitamin D. If you have lack of vitamin D, you will always be lethargic. आपको हमेशा पढ़ने के बाद after half an hour you will feel like lying down. Get your vitamin D checked. Second is B12. Vitamin B12. ये तो जो स्टूडेंट मेरे कांटेक्ट में, दे मस्ट बी स्माइलिंग कि ये यहाँ पे भी बोलना शुरू हो गए. Whenever I get space, I utilize that space to convey this. Get your B12 checked. जिसका B12 कम होता है, he gets a sort of dissonance while studying.
Okay.
Dissonance means he is studying something else, his brain is busy somewhere else. तो dissonance रहता है. He is always confused which subject to pick. Always a foggy type of brain fog. पढ़ कुछ रहे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. And he will have headaches, regular headaches or body aches. तो वो nerve pain होता है B12. Third is uric acid. Uric acid, get your uric acid tested because lack of uric acid means you will always feel feverish without temperature.
Okay.
आप कभी भी देखोगे तो आपको लगेगा I am feeling feverish यार. But thermometer is not showing temperature. लगता है ये पहले तो thermometer फोड़ूं मैं. Everyone is smiling, laughing on you और family members नाटक कर रहा है. But you know your body is feeling. You always feel feverish. हल्का हल्का सा body सा pain. Because white blood cell always fight with uric acid crystals. आप YouTube पे डालो WBC fighting uric acid. तो it mimic the fever in your body. Because white blood cell when they work they increase the temperature. तो एक uric acid. And fourth is majority of us are pre-diabetic.
Okay.
तो आप ये चेक करें कि आप pre-diabetic तो नहीं है. Pre-diabetic means you will always feel weak. Weakness feel होगी. You will never feel you are up to the job. These 4 things get tested before even you think any change of your life. ये सबसे नहीं होगा कि आप वो मोटिवेशनल वीडियो देख लो और मैं ये करूंगा और तिलक लगा लो आज से मैं पढ़ना शुरू. Nothing will happen. These 4 things. And second thing, be social. Students are emotionally unhealthy. They are emotionally feverish. A problem of no social life is if you don't have social life. So there are level of symptoms. जैसे one is whenever you will sit to study, you will have an undercurrent of thought. It is lack of talking. Because if we don't talk, our brain starts talking to ourselves.
True.
And it creates a habit of talking. तो जब आप पढ़ने बैठोगे तो वो चुप नहीं होगा. Brain will not keep quiet. You are reading something and your brain willing to talk to you. Brain आपसे, you will have a split type of personality. आप अपने से बात करना शुरू कर दोगे. You will talk to yourself. And those who do not have a good company, we always need friends who talk rubbish with you. Rubbish.
True.
Rubbish.
True,
जब तक आपके पास ऐसा दोस्त ना हो कि who talks अबे देख तेरे जैसा, जैसे कोई some mad is going on road, भाई देख तेरा दोस्त. If you don't have such friends, and I am sure girls also do this.
True.
If you don't have such friends in your life to talk rubbish with you, just one example, in everyone's college, we locked ourselves in room one night before exam, 4 or 5 friends. We studied entire night. Try doing it alone in a room. You can't pass the. अरे within 1 hour you will sleep.
True.
1 घंटे में आप सो जाएंगे. This preparation is that pressure in long term. That's why student crack here.
So you need company.
That's why learn from the failures of society. है ना, फेलियर से सीखें. कई लोग कहते हैं अबे तू तो खुद ही कुछ नहीं कर पाया, तू क्या बताएगा, है ना. You can't do anything. What you will tell? I'll tell because I can't do anything. Problem is 99% of the successful aspirants are also lucky in these things. They don't have B12 deficiency, D deficiency. They have good social life. I have checked the photographs of students who cleared the exam. None of them have acne. Rarely anyone. मैं तो ये गारंटी कर रहा हूं कि एंड आई रियली वांट टू डू दिस कि आई वांट टू टेक अ सैंपल ऑफ क्लास 12th स्टूडेंट्स अक्रॉस द स्कूल्स and I want to establish the relation between these indicators and their performance, and I'll be able to do this if someone gives me the help or budget or NGO. अगर कोई दे दे तो I can really prove. जैसे you will remember कि generally second child is always more hyperactive than first one. Because in first child I think so mother has spent all her vitamins and minerals. Second child को vitamin minerals नहीं मिलते. That's why वो चंचल नहीं है बच्चा आपका, मेरा बच्चा बहुत शैतान है पर दिमाग का तेज है. He has lack of something in his body. Okay. I am a second born child of my family. Second born क्या? Second born ही माने. तो I know कि what are the health challenges I had to face. And I felt कि before that I was more angry person. I was more aggressive. I love picking the fight. I love picking these arguments. कोई मुझसे कुछ बोले मैं, those who know me from my college, they ask me कि तू क्लास में पढ़ा कैसे लेता होगा यार? How you must be teaching? You must be fighting with your own students. My mother says कि when you don't know anything, how you spend your 2.5 hours in class. जब तुम्हें कुछ आता ही नहीं तो 2.5 घंटे तुम्हारे बीतते कैसे? Those who know me in the earlier phase, in my failure phase of life, they will know कि how aggressive I was, how hyperactive I was. I became calm not because of anything, because I keep myself more healthy. Generally, I take 4 classes every day, 10-11 hours. People say you are a hard-working person. I say I'm not a hard-working person. You have seen me in the wrong phase, मतलब other phase of my life. In my family, in my friendhood, everyone know me as a lazy person. ये मैं कोई self humbleness में नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. I was a lazy person. I was a person who don't like to do anything. Even today, I have the remnants of that. The only reason I was not healthy. Majority of toppers are healthy. Be healthy, be social.
True.
You will see those who come to Rajendra Nagar, Vajiram तक पहुंच जाते हैं. Lack of motivation नहीं है. अच्छा हाँ दूसरी चीज. Unhealthy people think they are less motivated. They need motivation. You don't need motivation, you are enough motivated. Motivation you needed in your college. When you don't know what is the syllabus, जो motivated नहीं होता है वो book ही नहीं खोलता है. You are opening the book, you are sitting in front of it. You are trying to study. You are over motivated. Have mercy on yourself. अपने ऊपर दया दिखाएं. And make yourself more healthy, more social. Everything will fall in place. There are some right practices, right food, जो बहुत लंबी कहानी हो जाएगी. है ना? Always have the right food. And right practices. तो as a teacher, my job is to teach you the subject and tell you the right practices. बाकी motivated तो आप हो ही. आप ये podcast सुन रहे हो, यही motivation है. In YouTube, you have thousands of things to watch. And you are choosing to watch this. आप इतनी देर तक यहाँ इस वीडियो के इस पार्ट तक पहुंच गए. You have enough motivation. Yes. If you would not be motivated, you must be watching something else. आप उसमें कुछ वो मीम देख रहे होते. देखोगे ये वीडियो के बाद वैसे. है ना? तो you are motivated, enough motivated. Don't worry about motivation. अच्छा एंड आई ऑल्सो ऑफ द व्यू कि अगर आप इतने पे भी मोटिवेटेड नहीं हो तो बेटर यू लीव द प्रिपरेशन. फिर ये सब देखने का फायदा भी नहीं. इतना जानने का करोगे क्या? एंड इफ यू आर नॉट मोटिवेटेड, यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर यूपीएससी और अभी भी आपको लगता है कि कुतुब मीनार और सीपी घूमाओ, आई शुड गो एंड रोम इन सीपी एंड आई हैव सीन स्टूडेंट दोज हु कांट स्टडी, देयर लाइफ बिकम्स अ लिविंग हेल ओनली बिकॉज दे आर मोटिवेटेड. आप ये सोचो कि जो 4 साल से पढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है, हु इज ट्राइंग टू स्टडी फॉर 4 years एंड स्टिल ही इज पुटिंग प्रेशर. आप सोचो एक आदमी जिसको आप रोज यू कॉल हिम एवरी डे टू सीपी कि आई विल गिव यू फूड एंड यू आर नॉट गिविंग हिम फूड फॉर लास्ट 4 years, स्टिल एवरी डे ही वांट्स टू गो टू सीपी. हाउ मोटिवेटेड ही इज, कितना मोटिवेटेड है वो. बट बात है कि वो तुम्हारे जैसे देखने वाले नहीं देखे, जिगर में किस तरह रंज गम पाले नहीं देखे. टॉपर्स का रंग यहां सब ने देखा है, किसी ने हमारे पांव के छाले नहीं देखे.
क्या बात है.
तो आई बिलीव कि माई जॉब इज कि जो स्टूडेंट पढ़ नहीं पा रहे हैं उनको पढ़ा देना. पढ़ता हुआ स्टूडेंट, द वन हु इज स्टडीइंग गुड एंड गेटिंग टॉप, वो मेरा नाम आपका नाम किसी का नाम ले दे, बहुत आसान है. वो सबका ले देगा. वो तो उसका जो मन है, उसका मूड स्विंग कर जाए, वो किसी का ले देगा. बट द स्टूडेंट हु इज बैक फ्रॉम द डेड, आई गेट दिस मैसेजेस ऑफ स्टूडेंट कि सर वो मेरे 6 attempts हो गए थे, आई मेट यू एंड नाउ आई हैव क्लियर्ड पीएससी, स्टेट पीएससी. दैट इज माई सक्सेस. वो सक्सेस है मेरी. टू पुल समवन बैक फ्रॉम द डेड. एक डॉक्टर है, आप पूरी तरह हेल्दी हो, आपका रोज चेकअप करने आ रहा है और कह रहा है देखो मेरा जो कंसल्ट लेता है मुझसे, मेरा क्लाइंट हेल्दी है. एक कोमा से मरीज को निकाल के लाना एंड देन गिविंग हिम टू हिज फैमिली कि नाउ आफ्टर 6 months योर बेबी इज बैक. दैट इज द सक्सेस ऑफ अ डॉक्टर. तो आई रियली फील कि माई जॉब इज टू हेल्प द स्टूडेंट्स हु कांट स्टडी. तो ये तो मैं आई ऑलवेज से आई एम पार्ट टाइम टीचर, फुल टाइम डॉक्टर ऑफ दिस. पढ़ाना तो मेरा पार्ट टाइम है. Full time is to pull students back from the dead. And I can show you the messages that I have done it. I am good at this. पढ़ाने में तो मुझे नहीं पता मैं कितना अच्छा बुरा हूँ. But एक स्टूडेंट जिसको पढ़ाई पे बने रहना, what are the best practices? The problem is those who get success, वो उनको नहीं पता. जैसे we have passed class 10th, we don't know how. But अभी एक 10th फेल स्टूडेंट आपके साथ ले आऊँ, आपको उसका ऐसा ज्ञान देंगे आप कि मैंने जुलाई में ये किया. तो word is full of lies. Pick what suits for you.
Yeah, the consistency is the key.
Consistency and how to be consistent.
Yes,
How to be consistent.
Yes, you'll be telling them how you should be consistent.
How you should be. How.
Yes.
ये नहीं कि बैठ के पढ़ो. बैठ के पढ़ो तो हर कोई जानता है. You ask a रिक्शा वाला, I want to successful in life, what I should do, वो कहेगा पढ़ो. How to do that? अच्छा, problem is, मैम, last एक और minute.
Sure, sir.
90% of Indians have never worked hard. Indians का word, Indians I should not say, word में 90% people never worked hard. उनको लगता है काश मैंने हार्ड वर्क कर लिया होता. They don't know कि जब हार्ड वर्क करना शुरू करते हैं तब क्या चैलेंज आते हैं. What is beyond that hard work? When I am ready to study for 10 hours, फिर क्या चैलेंज आएंगे. Fail persons have done it. तो कुछ उनसे भी सीख लेना चाहिए.
True. Now, definitely know, sir, why like such a great fan following you have, because when I asked you for the message, you were totally concerned about the students' health and their mental well-being. And I'm sure you are also as amused as I am after today's session. And this is what you're going to get in the optional program, history optional program. So, we will be back with such amazing sessions again and again. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today. It was really amazing to talk to you today. And I hope students will be definitely enrolling for this program because they are now a fan of you. Those who were not until today, they will be a fan of you from today now. History optional program is starting from 20th of June. Make sure you enroll.
20 June 2024.
20th June 2024. Make sure you enroll and get more such insights from Praveen Dikshit, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you all.